Hi everyone, so today I want to talk about the relationship between two variables. So we want to see how a particular variable affects another variable, or how a particular outcome affects another outcome. Sometimes this outcome can either be quantitative or qualitative. So whereby if it is quantitative, it means you actually measure numerically. If it is qualitative, it means they are non-numeric. So when, for example, you have a factor, or let's say variable such as age, I want to see how the age affects the blood pressure of individuals. So you want to see what's the relationship between the blood. Is it that the higher the age, the higher the blood pressure of individuals, or is it the lower the age, the lower the blood pressure of individuals? So one thing, a lot of things might come to your mind, but most of all, this is actually what we call statistically a correlation problem. So in correlation, I want to see how two numeric variables are related to each other. Since age is measured in terms of the numeric, blood pressure is also a numeric variable. Let's say we're talking about the systolic blood pressure, for example, now. So you cannot actually use two values. So we're going to use the correlation analysis. Either maybe it's Pearson or the Spearman correlation, any of them. But I'm still going to use the correlation analysis to actually find a relationship between these two values. But what if now age is no more in numeric? Age is now measured in categorically. Let's say it's 9 to 11, we have 12 to say 18, 19 to 24, and so on and so forth. And also the blood pressure was measured also categorically. We have blood pressure low, medium, high. So this time around, what will we do? So we can't use the correlation again because it's no more numeric. So what we have to do is to use the chi-square analysis. So chi-square allows us to check for relationship between these two particular variables. But the interesting thing is that unlike correlation analysis, which you can check for relationship and also the strength, as you can correlation analysis, you can know the strength of relationship. Chi-square analysis is just limited to the relationship. So if they are actually related, true. If they are not related, false. So chi-square doesn't go in depth to give us that, okay, this particular variable or this particular values are actually, this is the strength of relationship between them. Unlike in correlation analysis, whereby we can say this is stronger than this, or this is lower than this. The relationship between this and this is strong, or relationship between this and that is actually low. Also, I hope you find this video insightful. Thank you.